Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Bitcoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So all this here may look like a few weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping outward levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a routine basis, including doing it on Tuesday. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. I bring that up because if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart is going to look a little bit different for you. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. And I'm going to accomplish that by talking about more so general levels and then walking you through some questions. And based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So the first level that I want to kind of throw in that I haven't talked about specifically yet is just to kind of put in this trendline resistance up here. That's made itself pretty apparent right up there at 4,200. So the first question to ask yourself is nothing complicated at all. In fact, none of these questions are going to be complicated, but just simply ask yourself, okay, well, where's the price at relative to 4,200? If the price is down below it, well, then that doesn't mean anything bad necessarily. It just means that the price is still consolidating and, you know, the current trend that the price is in just simply hasn't gotten any sort of continuation. Again, I don't say that in a bad way, just in a sense of, yeah, nothing new has really happened from the bullish front in regards to, you know, building or breaking out or anything like that. Now, the next question to ask yourself, though, is, okay, if you are answering the question that the price is below 4,200, where's the price at? Preferably in regards to that purple line right there, the 50-period simple moving average. And I realize this one will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from the past couple of days. But I've talked about this level and the power of charts. Surprise, surprise, look right where the price bounced off of. I'm not patting myself on the back, but I'm definitely patting the tool of technical analysis on the back. Are charts perfect? No, absolutely not. Nothing is perfect. But they definitely do play a role, and they're definitely worth learning. And here's a great example of that. Literally bounced right off that area. However, even in the event, if you're answering the question that the price is down below that purple line, the next immediate question will be, okay, well, where's the price at relative to this trend line, which I think I've been talking about for basically the past week now, because this trend line here has been doing a great job of just showing that over time, the price has done a fantastic job of just building lows higher and higher as time has gone on. Now, if you happen to be answering the question that the price is not only below this purple line, but also below that green line there, that's where a little bit of, common sense needs to come into play. I mean, if the price is just slightly below it, okay, that's not good, but it's not like it's a disaster or anything like that. Whereas if you're answering the question, the price is all the way down here at, 38.50. Well, at that point, something's a little shaky at that point in time. But as I talk right now, again, I realize this will be a lot different, 15, 20 hours from now. Everything is just still consolidating. Yeah, the price pulled back here a little bit, but from the big picture of it all, as that trend line is showing, the price still has plenty of opportunity to build a higher base, which is what it's been doing. And that's certainly what you want to see continue to go forward. So focus on those higher bases and sit back and let the trend continue to do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.